Okay, hi once again. Asus laptop. I'm going to change the speaker of this laptop because the customer said that the speaker is not, although it's working, but the sound is not good. Going to try to check the sound, so we're going to open the computer and let's check the sound. So as you can see here, the sound is 90%, so we're going to make this to 100%. Okay, and then let's play the music. As you can see the sound, so the sound is not good, so we're going to change that. So we're going to open this. It's because this one, the white one, also the sound is not good, and also this one, same Asus. So this speaker is two pair. This one here and one here, and the same with this one here and one here. So we're going to test this one again. Let's open the volume. So as you can see here, 100%, and also this one. So let's play the music if it is. So I think the sound is a little bit okay, you can see the sound. So that's two speaker, also the same with this. So also this one, this one is a little bit louder compared to this one, but this one it's a little bit okay, but as you can hear the sound. So we're going to check the speaker of this. So let's try to find out. I'm going to fix this one first, after this one and this one. SSD. So this is the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi. Let's remove the board. Okay, let's see the moment of truth. Turn it off, turn it on. Okay, it's booting. Okay, let's try the sound again. As you can see, try the sound. Okay, I think it's more okay now. Okay, you can see the sound. So the sound is not good. So I think now is the sound is okay compared to the previous one. So that's it. That's how you are going to change your speaker. So this is the old one. So I have my another here, another new one. So I'm going to replace this laptop here. So this is now, it's okay. So we're going to make a loud again. Okay, let's find another music. So it's okay now. So if you have any comment or suggestion, you can comment down below on my YouTube channel. So, and please subscribe. Please also hit the notification bell. And then thank you guys for watching. That's it.